Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your PlayStation 5 back to the default settings without signing into an account. So I'm going to go back over to my PlayStation. Now with it turned on, I can see the white light right here. I want to hold down the power button and manually turn it off. So I'm going to hold this down. I will hear one beep, and then quickly I'm going to hear another beep. And my PlayStation 5 will completely turn off. It won't enter rest mode. And I'm going to wait for the white light right here to completely go away. And there should be no light on now. Now locate a USB cable just like this and plug it into your controller. We need this to operate the safe mode menu. Now with our PS5 completely turned off, it's not blinking anymore. I'm going to hold down the power button again. I will hear one beep. And then I will hear another beep about 5 to 10 seconds later. Then I can go ahead and let go. And go over to your controller now. Press the PlayStation button. The light should be like the teal. We can operate the safe mode menu with D-pad and then select with X. Now in the safe mode menu, we can go on down to option number 7 where it says reset PlayStation 5. It says if you reset your PS5, all users and all data will be deleted from the PlayStation. So if you are reselling your PlayStation or maybe you just bought it from a pawn shop, go ahead and try resetting it this way, and this might take about 10 to 15 minutes to complete. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.